Hello students, welcome back to Magesh classes. In this presentation we are going to discuss about unit number 4, transition and inner transition elements. Book back questions. Question number 26. Predict which of the following will be colored in aqueous solutions. Titanium 2 plus, vanadium 3 plus, scandium 4 plus, copper plus, scandium 3 plus, Fe 3 plus, nickel 2 plus and cobalt 3 plus. This presentation explained you how to find out the nature of the ions, whether it is colored or not. Let us move into the topic. Predict the following will be colored in aqueous solutions. The first one is the titanium 2 plus and vanadium 3 plus. So first of all, what are the criteria for the ions exist as a colored in aqueous solution? Ions with unpaired electrons in d orbitals are colored. So here the first trans elements are given. So ions with unpaired electrons in d orbitals are colored. The general electronic configuration of the d block elements are n-1, d1 to 10, ns1 to 2. So it is outer electronic configuration. N is the inner cell and n is the outer cell. The first transition series elements are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Their outer electronic configurations and atomic number. First one is 21. It goes to 30 up to zinc. The outer electronic configuration of the scandium is 3d1-4s2 because it has 21. The inner cell consists of 1 electron and the outer cell consists of 2 electrons. In addition to that, the argon is the inner cells. Then 22, it will be 3d2-4s2. 23, vanadium, d3-4s2 system. Inner cell consists of 3 electron, outer cell consists of 2 electron. Chromium is different. It has half-filled stable configuration. So it has d5-4s1. The inner cell consists of 5 electron. The outer cell consists of 1 electron. Manganese, it is d5-4s2. Iron, d6-4s2. d7-4s2 for cobalt. And d8-4s2 for the nickel. And your copper, d10-4s1. It is also different. The complete filled electronic configuration gives more stability. So it is more stable. And the zinc, 3d10-4s2. From this electronic configuration, we can observe that the lone paired electrons, that is d1, it has unpaired electron, and d2, it has unpaired electron, d3 unpaired electron. It is a complete half-filled. d5, it is unpaired electron. So these are the criteria to exhibit color. But here, the neutral atoms are there. We have to convert into Ti2 plus, and you have to find out the number of unpaired electrons present in it. The first one, nickel 2 plus. Nickel 2 plus is formed by the nickel. It is the outer cell and it is the inner cell. Nickel 2 plus is formed by losing 2 electrons from the outer cells. So the 2 electron is removed. So that titanium 2 plus is formed. So it is the outer cell consists of D2 configuration. Okay. So in D2 cell, we have 5 orientation. In the 5 orientation, only 2 electrons are filled. So the number of unpaired electron is equal to 2. Hence, it is colored. Okay. So titanium 2 plus is colored. So in this way, you have to find out all the things. Next one, vanadium 3 plus. Vanadium 3 plus, see here the outer cell consists of 2 electron and inner cell consists of 3 electron. So 2 electrons from the outer cell, that is 4s2 electrons, and 1 electron from the 3d level. So that you get V3 plus, and electronic configuration is 3d2. So it is similar to that of titanium 2 plus. Same electronic outer electronic configuration, number of unpaired electron 2, hence it is colored. Clear? Next, scandium 4 plus. In case of scandium 4 plus, The electronic configuration of scandium is 3d14s2. 2 electrons in the outer cell and 1 electron in the inner cell. So 4 plus is obtained by losing all the electrons from this, and here only 3 electrons are there. So it is hypothetical species and it is colorless. Okay. Next one, copper plus. Copper, atomic number 29. Outer electronic configuration, argon 3d10 4s1. C plus is obtained by losing 1 electron. It is outer cell, and so the outer electron is 3d10. 3d10. All the 5 orientations are completely filled. So that number of electrons 0. It is colored or colorless. It is colorless. Scandium 3 plus. Scandium, atomic number 21. The outer cell consists of 3d1 4s2. The scandium 3 plus is forming by losing 3 electrons. So it has no electrons in the outer cell. So it is colorless. Next one, Fe3 plus. Fe3 plus, it is atomic number 26. The outer cell for Fe consists of 3d6 4s2. Fe3 plus is formed by losing 5 electrons. 2 electrons from 4s2 and 1 electron from this one. So this gets 3d5 for Fe3 plus. So in the d orbital, it has 5 unpaired electron. So it is colored. Next one, nickel 2 plus. Nickel 2 plus. Nickel outer electronic configuration is 3d8 4s2. Nickel 2 plus is formed by losing this electron. So you get 3d8. So in the orientation, first electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. So remaining 2 unpaired electrons. So it is colored. The next one, cobalt 3 plus. Cobalt, atomic number 27. So the outer cell consists of 3d7 4s2. Cobalt 3 plus is formed by losing these 2 electrons and 1 electron from the d orbital. So it will be 3d6. First electron, second electron, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. So it has 4 unpaired electrons. Okay, so it is colored. So in this way, you have to find out the nature of the ions, whether it is colored or not. Okay, students, up to this, we have stopped this presentation. I hope that it is useful to you. Thank you for watching.